Welcome to Pi News World, your source for the latest updates on the Pi network. Recently, the Pi network has seen notable progress, particularly in the area of business adoption. More businesses are beginning to accept Pi payments, using the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, as a reference for pricing. This trend highlights the growing confidence in Pi's potential as a digital currency and reflects the strong support from its expanding community. As these developments unfold, the Pi network continues to move closer to real-world utility and broader acceptance. Across the globe, small businesses and online sellers are starting to accept Pi as a form of payment, using the Global Consensus Value as their pricing benchmark. This movement is fueled by the belief that Pi network could evolve into a widely used digital currency, offering fast and secure transactions for millions of users. Many business owners recognize the strength of the Pi community, whose ongoing support and use of Pi reinforce its perceived value. By adopting Pi payments early, these businesses hope to position themselves at the forefront of a potential shift toward broader digital currency adoption. While the GCV is community-driven and not officially confirmed, the enthusiasm surrounding Pi highlights its growing appeal in real-world commerce. The Pi network community is recognized for its remarkable strength and dedication. Millions of pioneers actively use and hold Pi rather than selling it at low prices, which reinforces confidence in the currency's long-term potential. This collective commitment plays a crucial role in supporting the perceived value of Pi, as businesses and users alike see ongoing engagement as a sign of trust and stability. The community-driven approach has helped Pi gain traction in real-world transactions, further enhancing its reputation within the digital currency landscape. Trust in the future of the Pi ecosystem is a key factor driving early business adoption. Many entrepreneurs recognize the potential for Pi network to become a widely used digital currency, and they are positioning themselves to benefit from possible mass adoption. By accepting Pi payments now, these businesses aim to establish themselves as pioneers within the ecosystem, hoping to attract a loyal customer base as the network expands. This proactive approach reflects confidence in the community's commitment and the anticipated growth of real-world applications for Pi. While the market value of Pi remains uncertain, early adopters believe their involvement could yield significant advantages as the ecosystem matures. The Global Consensus Value, or GCV, is a concept developed and embraced by the Pi network community. It represents a symbolic valuation of the PI token, but it is important to note that GCV is not officially recognized or endorsed by the Pi core team. As a result, the actual market value of Pi remains subject to fluctuations and is determined by exchange prices and ongoing ecosystem development. This distinction highlights the volatility of Pi's market value and underscores the need for caution when considering GCV as a benchmark for transactions. Understanding this dynamic is essential for anyone participating in the Pi network economy. The Pi network community has consistently demonstrated remarkable loyalty and strength, setting it apart in the world of digital currencies. With millions of dedicated users actively supporting and using Pi, this collective belief has helped sustain the network's momentum. If adoption continues to grow, Pi network could see its ecosystem expand, attracting more businesses and real-world applications. Such ongoing engagement suggests a promising future where Pi may evolve from a niche project into a widely recognized digital currency. Ultimately, the community's commitment remains a driving force behind Pi network's potential for lasting success. As Pi network continues to evolve, Staying informed about its latest developments is essential for anyone interested in the future of digital currencies. The ongoing adoption by businesses, community-driven initiatives, and market changes all contribute to a dynamic ecosystem. By keeping up with reliable news sources, viewers can better understand the opportunities and challenges facing Pi Network. Regular updates and insights help you navigate this rapidly changing landscape and make informed decisions. Remaining engaged ensures you won't miss important milestones or emerging trends within the Pi community.